Good afternoon, Mr. Methe. I wanted to help you with a screencast showing you how to sign off on something for the TKES platform. When you log in, you'll see the following compartments. Scroll down all the way to mid-year conference. Click on mid-year conference and you'll see mid-year conference for teachers. Click on that and you should see stuff that I had previously entered with the date of our conference that we talked about, student growth data that you didn't have available. We reviewed your goals, etc. Then you'll see a blue bar with a pull down on the far right called Teacher Comments. I don't know if it'll be open or closed, but just click it to open it. That has a series of assurances that you have to answer. Each one of them is a pull down with a yes or no answer, basically saying that we reviewed the TKES plan and how it works with you. Hopefully you'll choose yes for those. And then the date is already in there, any comments you want to make, and there should be a save button at the end. When you're through with all of that, hopefully, I'm going to scroll back up here, you should have a green, this gear right here will turn green, and you'll be finished with everything until your next round of observations. Thank you. Let me know if you have any questions.